Hello everyone, let's have a look at how to transfer orders from OpenCart to WooCommerce. Go to the settings inside the WooCommerce tab. Here you can click on a OpenCart to Woo tab. First you need to connect your OpenCart store with WooCommerce in API settings. After a successful connection, go to the Orders Import Settings tab. Here you can see more than 400 orders available on OpenCart store. You can import all orders or set various filters to import specific orders. Now click on a Orders tab. Here you can see we don't have any orders yet. Go back to the Orders Import Settings inside OpenCart to Woo tab. Here we can set 5 orders to import from OpenCart to WooCommerce. Now go to the Run Import tab and click on the Import Only Orders button. As you can see, all 5 orders are import. Now go back to Orders tab and check imported orders. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact our support team.